Hi everyone, I'm Elena and welcome back to this month's exclusive AI marketing tips and tricks brought to you by Advertising is Simple. Today we're taking a look at Base44, an AI tool that lets you build web and mobile apps just by describing what you want. No coding needed. If you've ever had an app idea but didn't know where to start, this makes it easy. Let me show you how it works. When you log into Base44, you can jump right in by describing your app, browsing free templates, or starting from one of their suggested ideas. No setup, no code, just pick a starting point and go. This is where everything starts. I'm going to type create a client portal app where users can log in, view their projects, upload files, and submit support requests. There's no technical language here, I'm just explaining what I want the app to do. Now I'll click generate and let AI do the work. Behind the scenes, Base44 is automatically creating user login and authentication, a database to store user and project information, and the overall app structure and layout, all without writing a single line of code. In just a few moments, I'm shown a working version of the app. I can see a login screen, a dashboard, and pages for projects and support requests. This gives me a real starting point instead of a blank screen. From here, I can continue improving the app just by talking to the AI. For example, I might say, add an admin dashboard where I can manage users and projects. Base44 applies those updates automatically. If I want more control, I can also make visual changes. I can move sections, update text, or tweak layouts visually without needing a developer. At the end of this process, I now have a fully functional app with user logins, a backend, and a database, all created from a simple text description. And that's a wrap on introducing you to Base44. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for Advertising is Simple's next month's video on exclusive AI marketing tips and tricks.